One day, Maya and Momo were playing with their toys. Suddenly, an idea popped into Maya's head and she decided to visit the toy factory. They walked to the toy factory, a magical place where toys are made. Suddenly, the sound of machines filled the air, and colorful toys could be seen through the windows. They went inside to see how it all worked. Inside the factory, machines were busy building toys. The machines pick up parts, put them together, and make toys without anyone's help. But how do these machines work on their own? With the help of machine learning, toy car making machines learn by looking at many examples of how cars are made. They make decisions to check if the cars are made correctly and adjust when they aren't. With each try, they get better at building the cars. They walked further and saw another machine was busy sorting toys into boxes. It uses machine learning to sort the toys correctly. After seeing pictures of different toys, the machine learns which toy goes in each box, and then sorts them on its own. These instructions are called machine learning algorithms. An algorithm is like a set of instructions that machines follow to solve problems. The toy sorting machine uses an algorithm to decide where each toy should be placed. There are different types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, the machine learns through examples with answers. Just like it is shown different pictures of dogs with the answer, "This is a dog," so it learns to group dog toys together. This machine uses supervised learning to learn from examples and sort similar toys. In unsupervised learning, the machine is given data without any answers. It has to find out the answer on its own, like sorting toys by color or shape without any instructions. Reinforcement learning is all about learning from mistakes. The machine gets rewards or penalties based on its actions. Just like a machine learns to stack blocks to build a tower. If the tower stands up, it gets a reward. If it falls, it gets a penalty. The machine keeps trying until it learns how to stack the blocks correctly. These smart machines learn from examples, adjust their actions, and get better with each try. Maya was amazed. She learned how machines can get better at their tasks and dreamed of all the amazing things they could create and learn with the help of machine learning. Stay curious and keep exploring the amazing world of machine learning.